you're going to want to put the, don't lose that piece, you're going to want to put the gear shift lever knob back all the way. Make sure your parking brake's on. And then to prep, get everything in there, lift up this little rubber cover back there, and there'll be 2 screws in there. Pop off these 2 clips. To your seat warmers. Oh yeah. You gotta spread this guy out. There's a little clip right here. And then right here. That out. Nice. Now this guy should come on out of there. Let's see. Something. Oh. I'm trying to find the plug right here. I'll try to get it back in there. There we go. I'm gonna have to come over this way.
Oh my god, you're gonna try to fill it. Filling. I have to get it. I'm coming over the bill.
Alright, I got it.
Guys.
You alright?
Guys. Sorry about that. I can't close this. So sorry. It's just because I had to get it very bad.
Alright, we gotta close the door again. Yeah. Alright. So,
okay, I'm gonna get in the battle.
check this out. Look at this part. Focus on here, please. So once you get that back in,
I
you need
can't
to
see
spread these out
here.
to get back into these clip holes. There's one right there. And the other one is right here.
This is what my toy. I'm just getting as close as I can to get good shots. Now I can just lean over and get that good shot.
Yes, you got all kinds of toys back there. There's toys all over this place. This is like a toy car. Okay. That feels good. Oh yeah. Look at that wood trim. So fancy. Beautiful.
You didn't do too much talking in you.
Nope.
You have to do a lot of talking.
Why not?
Okay. We're gonna have.
I didn't even know this was still on there.
What?
This is all jacked up. But it just rolled all up in here. Oh, there's still another piece. They're pieces of it. It's just.